distal convoluted tubule, the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, and the renal corpuscle. That is a nephron. That whole thing is a nephron. So this is a cortical nephron, and this is a juxtamedullary nephron because of how far down the loop of Henle goes. Okay, so inside the renal corpuscle is the glomerulus, that's the capillaries, and outside is the Bowman's capsule. Then we have the proximal convoluted tubule. As soon as it leaves the cortex, it becomes the loop of Henle. So this is the descending limb. This is the thin segment of the descending limb. Ascending limb, thick segment of the ascending limb.
Okay.
Distal convoluted tubule. You can't really see it on here, but right in between where the distal comes back around and comes near the renal corpuscle, there's the juxtaglomerular apparatus.
Okay. Where?
Which you can see on here. It's right here.
Oh, right there. Okay, what's this then?
Okay, so this is basically just right here blown up. So this is just going to be the beginning of the proximal convoluted tubule. And if you can see, these cells are cuboidal with microvilli, because this is primarily where reabsorption is occurring, so you need more surface area. And so this is going to be the Bowman's capsule, the parietal layer, and it's all simple squamous. And then as we get into the actual capillaries, the visceral layer are these like podocyte cells. This is the capillary without the podocytes, and these are the podocytes on the capillary. And then
so which one's podocyte?
See these like whitish, this whitish part? This is the same as this, except for the podocytes are removed over here.
There you go.
So the podocytes are those like big sheath cells that kind of have these slits, and that's what these red lines are the slits. I'm assuming that's the nucleus of the podocyte. And then the distal convoluted tubule has cuboidal cells without microvilli, because its primary function is secretion. I think that's everything.
You know, pop smoke there, Nicole?